Everyone says CapCut can't do 3D perspective text. So explain this. This was made entirely in CapCut. No After Effects. Let me show you how.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
First, import your video into CapCut. Now, scrub through your timeline and find the moment where the area you want your text to sit is completely visible. This part is important. You need a clean frame, no subject blocking it, because we're about to use this as our alignment reference. Once you find it, switch to full screen and take a screenshot. CapCut doesn't have real perspective transformation tools, so instead of fighting the software, we're going to outsmart it. We'll design the perspective text externally, aligned perfectly to this exact frame, then bring it back into CapCut. Now open PixelLab and import the screenshot from your gallery. If you don't have PixelLab yet, check the link in the description. And if you'd like a PC alternative, let me know in the comments. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, so it matches your video frame. Tap the text icon and type your word. I'll use all caps for a stronger cinematic feel. Choose your font. Bold fonts work best for this effect. Increase the size so the text fills the space properly. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really helps us keep making tutorials like this. Scroll to the perspective option and enable it. You'll see 4 anchor points. This is where realism happens. Use elements in your environment, paths, walls, fences, floor lines, as guides. Drag each anchor point so the text follows the natural vanishing direction of the scene. Take your time here. The better your alignment, the more believable the effect. Once it looks natural, tap OK. Remove the screenshot background. Set the background to transparent. Export, set quality to ultra. Save to gallery. Now let's bring it back into CapCut. Tap the plus button and import your PNG. Select HD to preserve quality. Add it to the timeline above your main video and stretch the overlay to match the full duration of your video. Now duplicate your original video. Move the duplicated clip above the text overlay. Select the duplicated clip. Scroll down and tap Remove BG. This will extract the subject from the background. And now your text sits perfectly between the original video and the extracted object. Select the overlay and tap Mask. Choose Split. Rotate it to -90 degrees, so the mask line becomes vertical. Add feather around 20 to 30 for a smoother blend. That's what creates the illusion that the text is sitting inside the environment. Move the mask completely to one side, so the text is hidden. Add your first keyframe. Move the playhead forward slightly. Adjust the X position so the text starts revealing as the subject walks. Keep moving forward and adding keyframes. Fine-tune the position so the reveal matches the subject's movement. Go back to the start. Let's preview. That is how you create 3D perspective text in CapCut without After Effects. If you want to take this further, you can add drop shadow for depth, motion blur for realism, subtle camera shake, and sound design for impact. Small details make it look professional. If this helped you, drop a like. It tells YouTube this is valuable. And if you want more advanced CapCut tricks that look professional, make sure you're subscribed. You're watching Master It Now, where we break down the most creative video tricks, cinematic edits, and pro-level tutorials that help you master video creation. I'll see you in the next